This week on the Digging Dudes.
I mean, it could still be tin, however.
Yeah, oh, no,
oh, nice! Yes! Do you know what that is? I found one of those before, dude. That's an epic find. Cool. What is up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Digging Dudes. You got me, Willie, Jeff B. We are in a hayfield where a farmer has invited us to come save some of the history that could be here. Used to be an old blacksmith site, so Jeff and I are doing our best to sift through everything and see what we can find.
And found the iron patch, and now we're sifting through it.
That's right. We found an iron patch. We're sifting through it. Got a feeling we're going to find some good stuff, so stick around. Let's diggity-do. Got the sign from Jeff over there. There's a lot of chatter. We're trying to find the old blacksmith shop. It's in the great tone, but good enough to record. So that's what we're doing. Oh, there you go. Folded up can of something. Oh, there it is. Spoke pivot. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Not a pivot. So, brain fart kind of day, guys. Yeah. Prevent the stopper. Man. Yeah. Thingamajig. Come take a listen. So I got a 46 on mine. So I'm on 60. The Deus 2.
This sounds really good. 8087 on Deus iPhone. Sounds good to me.
Yeah, it doesn't sound very big either, which is good.
It sounds smaller.
But it could still very well be just a piece of fucking can. Yeah. Whatever it is, it's in that plug. Moment of truth.
Be a modern penny too.
Could be a modern penny too. Very much so. There it is.
This can?
No, actually, it's definitely not just can.
Yeah, it sounded different than the cans that we were up in the 70s.
Whatever it is, it's got some writing on it. I might be able to clean that up, but I wasn't able to get much else off of it. But I see an ERE. Anybody know what that is? This is not a great signal again. I mean, I wouldn't say it isn't great. It was just a low number. And because I'm in a old field, potential relics, I like to preserve whatever history I can. So I attempt to dig it just to be sure. Look at that, it's part of an old proto bell. Yeah. There's a blacksmith shop somewhere here, so who knows if he made it or not, but here we go. Ooh, it's muggy. No, whatever it is still lovely and in there. Still sounding great. There was a lot of crappy signals in there. So now, what do I have here? Oh, I think I got myself a nice buckle.
There you go.
Yes I do, yes I do. Look at that. Nice part right there. Where's that collar? That's collar. Either way, nice pretty little buckle. For those of you who don't know, I don't know when you're going to be listening to this, but it is September 2023. Jeff has upgraded recently to a Deus 2 from his Garrett AT Pro. And so far it's been pretty good. He's still learning though. It's a learning curve, but all I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with the machine. If you can't hear the pin pointer, well, that's because it's attached and connected to his headphones, people. Yeah, that makes sense. Some pottery.
So we're on the right track, in the right
Okay.
spot.
We're in the right spot. I mean, it could still be tin, however.
Yeah, it is. Oh, no.
Oh, nice! Yes! Do you know what that is? I found one of those before, dude. That's an epic find.
Canada something.
That's the cap badge. Yeah, man. Canada Army Corps cap badge. Remember 363? I don't know if you remember. Anyways.
Yeah, I remember something about that.
I got one like that. I have it at home. It's phenomenal. It kind of looked the same as yours, a little squished, but man, it's still.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Dude, that's a
pouch.
great find. All right, Jeff and I are both on a hole here. Hey?
How many nails I can pull out of here?
Yeah. All right. Well, Jesus, that hurts the legs. Talk about getting cut up. This stuff is brittle. All right. I should have worn my knee pads. Maybe I shouldn't be so lazy. They are over there at the car. Oh, it's another buckle. What the heck, man? Look at that, bud. I got another buckle. Nice little D buckle.
Nice.
Huh.
There's old stuff here.
Neat. Maybe another buckle? I don't know. Nah, it's
Imaginary sounds
a bullet shell for me. You never know here, so gotta dig those sounds, those crappy sounds. Well, I wouldn't say crappy, just low end. Oh, it's on the side. Oh, what's that? Maybe what I'm looking for isn't even that deep. And it didn't really feel deep, to be honest. And that's what it is. There it is. That's what I heard. Yep. Organ reed. You said you saw some roundness?
Yeah, I saw this sticking out first. And it was a
Oh yeah,
perfect
then.
signal, but yeah.
Oh,
Piece of a pocket watch. So cool.
Oh, that's cool. That is cool. Nice. Well, I didn't record this because it sounded way too loud. But it's always nice to see these come up in a place like this. Good old oil lantern. Let's see which one you got, bud. Oh, that looks like maybe a sugar bowl dish or something, because it would have had a lid to it. Holy snap-a-doodle. You heard something that deep. Man, that's a beast of a machine. Cool. A little jumpy, but it's the right tone, right size. So we'll see. Okay. Any day now. Another buckle? Wow. This is a buckle day for me, bro.
Apparently, yeah.
Apparently. Jeepers. Wow. Getting dark. Cool. Quick little wrap up. Apologize for the noise ahead of time. Today we did some relic hunting in an old area that had a blacksmith, and we got some cool little relics. No coins whatsoever, which is really interesting. Some buckles. These are all my buckles. I can't believe I got all of these in one little day. I'm not sure what that is, but it's got some writing on it. Pocket watch piece Jeff found. A little piece of a crotal bell. That's going to be from an organ of sorts. A bullet casing. Sharpening stone, of course, the lovely oil lanterns we always adore. I'm not sure if that this is, could be a handle to something. That is probably a stopper for oil or something somewhere. I'm not quite sure. Lovely pottery, some rings, and the pièce de résistance. This lovely, my God, hat badge, military hat badge. Yeah, that's always cool. Till next time.